Everyone. Hello everyone. Today I'm going to discuss about even and odd numbers, prime composite numbers and perfect numbers. So first of all, what are even numbers? What are even numbers and what are odd numbers? See, first of all, even numbers. So all natural numbers exactly divisible by 2 or all the multiples of 2. Okay? So if I say 2, 4, 8, 50, yeah, 100, yeah, 100, 2. See, all these numbers are what? Divisible by 2 and are what? Multiples of 2. Okay. So this kind of numbers are called what? Even numbers. Now see here also, if I say 2, 4, 6, 8, okay, see their difference. Here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. Means what? Their difference consecutive wise. Two consecutive even numbers differ by 2. Okay. Now what are odd numbers? All natural numbers which are not exactly divisible by 2 or are not the multiples of 2, exactly called what? Odd numbers. If I say 1, 11, 31, 105, yeah, 2005. See what? All these numbers are what? Odd numbers. Why? Because those are not divisible by 2, neither a multiple of 2. Okay. And see that this two consecutive odd numbers differs by 2. If I say 1, 3, 5, 7, so see difference 2, 3 minus 1, 2, 5 minus 3 is also 2, and this 5 minus 7 is also 2. Means what? Their difference is always what? 2. Consecutive wise. Consecutive even numbers. Consecutive. Back to back. Okay. So now some facts about this odd and even numbers. The sum of two even numbers is always even. If I say 2, 4. Okay, if I take example. So 2 plus 4 is what? Equal to 8. See, these two are what? Even numbers, and their result is what? Combined. So 8. So 8 is also an even number. So first condition is proven. The sum of two odd numbers is always even. If I say 5 plus 105, how much? 110, 110. So this is odd number, this is odd number, but this is even number. So second condition, the sum of two odd numbers is always even. Third one, the sum of an even and odd numbers is always odd. If I say 2 plus 3 equal to 5, see, 2 is even and this is 2 is even and this is odd. Combine form what? Combine form what? Odd. 5 is odd. So sum of even and odd numbers is always odd. The product of two even numbers is always even. Product of two even numbers is always even. If I say same example, 2 into 4, this is also even, this is also even, then their product is 4 to the 8. You can take any number. Just like product of two even numbers is always even. Number third, the product of two even numbers is always even. Number E, fifth, the product of two odd numbers is always odd. If I say 7 into 5, this is also odd, this is also odd. The result is what? 7 5 is 35. So directly what? Their product is odd. Number F, the product of an even and odd numbers is always even. So if I say 2 into 3, the result is what? 6. The product of even and odd numbers is always what? Even. So 6 condition. You can take any example. 5 into 12, how much? 12 5s are 60. So directly the result is what? Even and odd number, their product. So now what are prime numbers? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 which is divisible only by itself and 1. See the definition. A prime number is a whole number greater than 1 which is which is divisible only by itself. Okay. If I say 2. Okay, if I say 2, so what are the factors? You have a divisors of 2. It's 1 comma 2. So what is this? Prime number, because the definition says what? A prime number is a whole number greater than 1. Yes, obviously greater than 1, which is divisible only by itself. Yes, only 1. So divisible by itself, 2 by 2, 1 and 1. Okay, yeah, we can write 2 by 2 also and 2 by 1 also. You can write 2 by 3. Okay, so you can take other example also, just like for 4 equal to 1, yes, 2 and 4. See here, if I just like define the definition, a prime number is a whole number greater than 1. Yes, it is greater than 1, which is divisible only by itself. No, here see 3 divisors. Okay, so it is not a prime number. If I say 7, 1 comma 7, 1 comma 7, so 7 is what? Yes, greater than 1, and is which is divisible by itself and 1. So yes, it is divisible by itself and 1 also, so it's prime number. It is prime number. You can check 12 also, 9 also. So here are many examples. Okay, means you can say this 2, 3, 5, 7. These are what? Prime numbers, and beyond that all are composite. See the definition of composite number. This, a natural number greater than 1 which is not prime is called a composite number, which is not prime. Okay, it is up to 12. There are many, just like beyond that, any number you can take. So you can check out the divisors of whole of it, then you can define it exactly which number is prime and which number is composite. Okay, composite numbers, this composite numbers have more than 2 divisors. More than 2 divisors, exactly. See here, this 4, 6, this 8, 9, 12, they are having what? This composite numbers are having more than 2 divisors. The number 1 is greater, neither prime nor composite. Keep this in mind. Number this 1 is neither composite. This 1 is neither composite nor prime. Okay, keep this in mind. They may ask in the exam itself. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 are prime numbers. 4, 6, 8, 9 are called what? Composite numbers. So here are a few of the examples. Okay, keep this in mind. Okay, now what is co-prime? Co-prime. See the definition. 2 natural numbers which have only the common factor 1 are called what? Co-primes. Here all these numbers are what? They are given a few pair of composite numbers. 2, 3. See here, 1, 2, and this is 1, 3. They are having what? See the definition. Co-primes, numbers which have only a common factor 1 are called what? Only the common factor 1 are called what? Co-primes. Okay, you can take other example beyond that. 4, 9, 4, 9, 1, 2, 4. This 1, 3, 9. See, having on this only common, so this is called what? Co-primes. Now twin primes. Prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. Differ by 2. So if I say 3, 5, okay, या फिर 5, 7. See, their difference is what? Their difference is 2. Here also 2. 5 minus 3, 2. 7 minus 5, 2. So, and this all of it are what? Prime. So twin primes. This many other examples. Okay, prime triplet. A set of this third one. A set of 3 consecutive prime numbers differing by 2. So keep this in mind. The only prime triplet known so far is 3, 5, 7. Prime triplet. Okay, so back to back. Just like if I say odd numbers 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So this the only prime triplet known so far is 3, 5, 7. Okay, keep this in mind thoroughly. So this activity, try by your own. Okay, try to sort out this activity, what this particular activity is saying about, या फिर you have to follow some directions involved in it. You already I already explained to you about this, so go through it thoroughly and try to understand it. Okay, otherwise you can ask me. Now here are some questions. Okay, here is some important facts. Try to understand it. Number one is neither prime nor composite. Already explained to you about this. Number two is the smallest prime. Oh, keep this in mind. Okay. Number two is the smallest prime. Number two is the only even prime number. Okay. So keep this point in mind. Okay. All other even numbers are composite numbers. Every prime except 2 is an odd number. So keep all of this. There is no largest prime number because first of all, see this point, point number 8. The number of primes is infinite. If I say 1, 3, 5, 7, 1 lakh 1, 1 lakh 1, yeah, 1 crore 1, 1000 crore 1, just like those are what? Infinite. Not only 1, 3, 5, 7. So those are infinite. Here infinite is used in the sense that no matter how many prime numbers we have found, there are still more primes. So जितना भी प्राइम नंबर निकाल लो उसके बियॉन्ड भी और बहुत सारे प्राइम नंबर्स है. इसका कोई लिमिट ही नहीं है. अनलिमिटेड यू कैन से, लिमिटलेस यू कैन से. ओके. नंबर 9, देयर इज नो लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर्स बिकॉज अदरवाइज द नंबर ऑफ प्राइम्स वुड बी फाइनाइट. सो कोई भी लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर्स अगर पूछेगा कि अगर मान लो कि 1 crore 1 इज द लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर, सो स्टेटमेंट्स होगा कि ट्रू एंड फॉल्स में से, तो कुछ एक्सप्लेनेशन मांगेगा. सो डायरेक्टली यू कैन डिफाइन इट दिस पॉइंट कि इनफाइनाइट है ऑब्वियसली. सो मतलब कि कोई लार्जेस्ट प्राइम नंबर है ही नहीं, पॉसिबिलिटी है ही नहीं. सो नंबर 10, a natural number greater than 1 is either a prime or has a factor which is prime. So this is direct. Now example, list all the prime numbers between 1 and 10. So direct question. Express 36 and 80 as a sum of two prime numbers. So 17 plus 19, 36, 80, so 19 and 61. Okay. Express 32 as a sum of two odd primes. So they may ask many type of questions in the exam. So try to understand it thoroughly and try to practice some of the questions. Now this question is little bit important. Okay, you may get some of the questions relating to this prime and twin primes. Which of the following is a pair? No, there's no direct questions related to this in the exercise. So state whether the numbers 25 and 27 are twin primes or co-primes. So co-primes are what? Exactly factor having what? 1 itself. Okay. So 1 1. So 25 and 27, see the divisors. 1 into 5 into 5. 27 is 1 into 3 into 3 into 3. So having what? Common factor 1. So 25 and 27 are not prime numbers. Yes, exactly, those are not prime numbers. So hence they are not twin primes. They are not twin primes at all. Prime numbers that differ by 2 are called twin primes. So see, obviously 25 and 27 differ by 2, but these two numbers are what? They are not prime numbers. See their divisors, 1 into 5 into 5. Yes, 1 into 5 is okay, but 1 into 5 into 5. See, the definition is what? A prime number. It is a whole number greater than 1, which is divisible only by itself and 1. So 25 and 27 both are not prime numbers. So that's why they both are not twin primes. Since both 25 and 27 are composite numbers having only the factor 1 in common, so they are co-primes. Okay, see the definition properly, you can solve any question though. Now perfect numbers. There are some numbers which are perfect numbers. See, if I say this example 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3, how much? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. See here 28 also. 1 plus 2 plus 7 plus 4, 14. 1 plus 2 plus, yes, 4 plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus, so 3, 7, 7, 14, 14 plus 14, 28. So this kind of numbers are called what? Perfect numbers. So definition, a number is called a perfect number. A number is called a perfect number if it is equal to the sum of all of its factors excluding itself. Okay. So excluding itself means what? If I said this 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3. So a number is called a perfect number if it is equal to sum of all of its factors. So 1 is also a factor, 2 is also, 3 is also, excluding itself, not 6, 1, not 6. So this factors of 6 are what? 1, 2, 3, 6. Okay, but other than the number itself, all other factors combined supposed to be equal to that number. So those numbers are called what? Perfect numbers. So they had given this 28, 496. So this is some of the exercise questions. First of all, tell whether each number is a prime or a composite. So directly you can check out. Number 2, write all even prime numbers. See all even prime numbers. So number 3, see this point. Number 2 is the only even prime number. So only 2 prime numbers between 90 and 100. 90 and 100 prime numbers. So 97 itself. Neither 91, 92, no, not at all. So 97. Smallest odd composite number. Smallest odd composite number. So smallest odd composite number. Composite numbers are what? A natural number greater than 1 which is not prime. Okay, greater than 1 and smallest. They are asking what? Smallest composite number. So 9. Pair of twin prime numbers, prime between. So these numbers are these questions are direct questions. If anyone having any doubt relating this questions, so you can ask. Okay, you may be having doubt in this question number 12, I think. Who am I? I am a 2-digit prime number. Okay, 2 digit. My 10th digit is 5 and my 1st digit is a prime number. I am a 2-digit prime number. My 10th digit is 5, so exactly 5, and my 1st digit is a prime number. So 53 itself. So 51, see the factor, how much? Just like this is okay. So 1, 3, yes, possible. And see other factors also. 1, 3, 51 itself. 51 itself. Again. So 53. And my 1st digit is a prime number. So 3, 5, 7. So 55 is not possible. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. See? See? Okay, 1 is prime number. This 2 is also a prime number, 3 is also, 4 is not, okay, 5, this is not, okay, about this, but this is also not, so this is also not, this is also not, so check, so 1 3 51 itself, so this is even number, so this is not possible. Just 2 is only the even prime number. 53, yes, this is possible. And about 55, this is also not possible. 56, no, not possible. 57, see the possible at 57, so 12, so this is what, divisors 1 for 57, divisors 1 3, 57 also there, so 3, so, and about 59, 59, so directly, so 9 is not possible, so this is also cancelled out, so 53 is the direct. Okay, you can ask me about this if you have any doubt in solving this question. Now I am a 2-digit prime number. Okay, the total of my digit is a prime greater than 13. So they are saying about the total. If I say I am a 2-digit prime number, the total of my digit is supposed to be greater than 13. So if I say 2-digit prime number, the total of my digit is a prime greater than 13. So greater than 13, they are saying about greater than 13. So if I take for 13 combined, so 6 plus 7, so 6 is not what, 6 is not a prime. Okay, so if I say 5 plus 7, so it is less than what, this is less than 13 combined, this is 12. Okay, this is 13, but see the 6 one, so this is not possible. Combined, they are saying about combined, sorry. Only see the 8 plus 9, this forms what, 17. Okay, 8 plus 7 combined to form what, 15. So या फिर 8 plus 8 combined form what, 16. Any other left out? 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7, 14, this is not possible. Yeah, 8 plus 7, 15, this is also not possible. या फिर 8 plus 9, this is 17, yes, this is possible. So it's 89. Okay, you can ask me any question regarding this. Thank you.